Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. This is Uday. Today I am going to say about what is time management. Picture a workshop where every day delivers a fresh block of marbles, 24 clean hours. Most people stare at the stone, but few start carving. Think of Elon Musk. He owns many companies in this world. Elon Musk sketches blueprints before the chisel hits. He doesn't offer time. He assigns it. Think of Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda lights furnace with resolve. Arise, awake, stop not until the goal reached. It's not just a quote, it's a command. He turns heat into motion, motion to meaning. Think of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam polishes both edges, the grand and the humble. He is a teacher, scientist, and a great president. Yet he answers to many children's letters. This is how he managed time. Think of Cristiano Ronaldo. Cristiano Ronaldo repeats strokes until the marble becomes a muscle memory. While other pose, he practices. Repetitions reveals. Okay, that is very important thing. This is how he managed time. I learned few tips from the Sanjay Sehgal. He is an Indian. He is a founder, chairman and CEO of Miss Technologies, which is established in 2007. Digital software and a tech transformation firm it is. I learned 3 tips from him. We can call it as mantra. One is time blocking. What is time blocking? Time blocking is a thing which is very important in managing the time. So first you need to prioritize the work. Which one you should do first. For that particular work you need to block a particular time. When you block that time, you should only focus on that work. You should not get diverted in other works. So that is called time blocking. Second one is thinking of one important thing in a day. So always think one important thing in a day. It can be anything which is left to you. It completely depends on you. It can be doing yoga or doing exercise or reading or learning a new skills. It's completely depend on you. So then coming to third one. Third one is overthinking. Overthinking which will pull you down. So don't waste your time on overthinking. Always try to remember this. Always don't run behind these results. Try to chase excellence. Then success will automatically chase you. This is what I learned from him, the Sanjay Sehgal. Okay. So now coming to the point. You don't need more marbles. You need sharp choices and steady hand. Consistency, what it will do? The consistency sculpts what intensity sketches. And don't wait for the perfect statue. Start your first cup. Chisel, breathe, repeat. Because at midnight, every block, whatever is there, it will be resets. And the world remembers who creates theirs. So stop wasting, stop waiting, and start choosing. Choose it wisely. Because when you learn how to manage your time, then you are not only managing your schedule, you are managing your future. Time is life, and it's taking. These are the few tips for time management. So time management is very important in life. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.